The logo evolution of Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center. Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center is an academic children's acute care hospital located in the Pillowville neighborhood of Cincinnati, Ohio, and their website is www.cincinnatichildrens.org. Something to something. There is a blue shape and orange. There is a girl and a boy, and to the right of them, there are the words Cincinnati Children's in blue text. And under that, there is a blue line, and under that, there are the words Hospital Medical Center in blue text. Something to something. The bottom text has changed to change the outcome in blue text. Something to the present. There are two blue, green, purple, and pink shapes representing a mom and her child hugging, and to the right of them, there are the words Cincinnati and Children's in gray text. And under that, there are the words changing the outcome together, all in blue text.